Here we are at the park, and Martin is in his snowshoes. How are those things supposed to work? I guess it's keeping you on the top half.
Sorry?
I said, how are those things supposed to work? I guess they're keeping you on the top half.
Yeah, they're keeping me very much. I mean, otherwise they'd probably be sinking in a lot deeper.
There's Martin. Is it like walking with skis?
Sorry?
Is it like walking with skis?
Yeah, a little bit, but skis are a lot more slippy.
Yeah.
I've done cross-country skis before.
Well, that's what I'm wondering. Was Bill doing cross-country skiing or walk? Yeah, cross-country skiing or snowshoes. I'm trying to figure out why he wants to get you coming down a hill.
I don't know.
Sorry about this. And there we go. He wiped out. Now I want to see you get up. There you go. I know it takes me a significant amount of time and a rescue crew.
Could probably be doing with a little bit of more harder snow. I'm gonna say it'd be more of a frozen top.
I'm not sure you set your. Or you should try Ranzanautica, harder snow.
But yeah, I wonder how it would be if I took them off and walked across there. Probably be up to my knee in it.
Likely. But there you go, Charlotte. There you go, Dad. There you go, Neil, Mom, Freya. You want the snow, really? Really? Okay. Well, that's a little bit less, right? You know, it's like, what, 5 inches? It's a really nice park, though. I'm seeing some trails, too, so I want to see if there's any deer or anything out here. And let's see if we can't find the doggies. They're in the car. You want me to let them out? You walk or whatever?
I can take these up a little bit.
It was a Christmas gift a few years back. We just had enough snow that it would be awesome. And your back of your foot comes right off.
Yeah, it does. It's where it's meant to.
I've never walked in them or really seen them up close before.